Look at the sun, look at the sky, look at the bird, it's flying so high. Look at the stars, shining so bright in the middle of the night. Oh look, there's a shooting star. Do you ever wonder who created this and who created that? Allah created everything. What about that tree, so beautiful and green? Can you see the wind brushing those leaves? Look at that fish swimming away in the beautiful ocean under the waves. Do you ever wonder who created this and who created that? Allah created everything. Yellow pink flowers with a buzzing bee. Isn't it amazing how honey comes from bees?